Okay, we are at the site called Saqqara in Egypt, which is one of the largest archaeological sites in the world. And we're walking into the Imhotep Museum, which is an on-site museum here at Saqqara. And a lot of artifacts from the dynastic period. A wooden sarcophagus. Two scale models of what are called Jed pillars that some believe were involved in ancient electricity. And other various artifacts. Here a depiction of someone with a slightly elongated head, maybe, a little bit. But what we've specifically come to see are some stone artifacts. So near the step pyramid of Djoser, which we will be visiting, we're going to, there was a cache of hard stone objects that were found, between 30,000 and 40,000 of them, which you see here. They're labeled in general as being made out of a stone called schist, but in fact our geologist Susan has just told me that it's actually called siltstone, and that's a metamorphosed stone, which is almost pure silica. Silica is glass, so very hardness of at least 7. You can see clearly that these were turned on lathes. So again, this object is what they label as being schist, but it's not schist. It's called siltstone. So the grain size of the material is very, very small because of the metamorphic process. The metamorphosis hardened the material as well. They're even listed as being pre-dynastic, or from the archaic period, which indicates to us that these, even the academics admit, that these are older than the invention of the potter's wheel. Clearly, advanced engineering technology was employed in order to create them. Most people would say that they would have been turned on lathes. The problem with that theory is these protrusions on the right and left-hand side. If these were turned on a lathe, obviously those would snap off. So it's more likely that a machine, like what's called a CNC machine, would have been employed at least to some degree, which is a computer-controlled machine that's able to go in and do the cutting.
Are these ones that are supposed to be pre-dynastic?
Oh yeah.
Makes you wonder if they're like remnants of, if they're like pre-cataclysm battle. What do you think?
Oh yeah. Notice. This is Jimmy of Bright Insight, of course.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Great. Yeah, and so most people would say they were turned on a lathe.